a tester from germanium transistors, the PNP types, made with the same relaxation oscillator that I published a few days ago. But there are some things to tell when you want to test germanium transistors. At first, many germanium transistors are PNP and not NPN. That means that the voltage here is negative up to here, the positive voltage. So let's look to the circuit. In fact, it's the same hick oscillator that I've published earlier. When it doesn't want to oscillate, reverse A with B or reverse C with D. In fact, a very simple circuit here. The same coil. And now I'm testing the AD162 germanium medium power transistor. It oscillates, and of course when it oscillates your transistor is okay. It has enough amplification. And the good thing, or the peculiar thing, is that it works on very much lower voltages than I've published in the first circuit. From 1 volt up to 6 volt. Your germanium transistor works. Now it's 6 volt. Now it's 2 volt, 1 volt, 0.7 volt. And that all has to do with the properties from the germanium. You can use germanium transistors for oscillators on extremely low voltages. Even up to, say, 1.5 volt. But anyway, here the circuit again. The transistor under test. I tested the AD162 and the OC47. And the whole circuit is very simple to make. I want to refer to my earlier video. We take out the signal via a 220 picofarad cap to the scope. And the whole circuit here, the coil, the transformer, is not very critical. You can use 100 turns from thin wire or wire from 0.4 millimeters on a ferrite rod, but also on other forms of ferrite cores, for instance a pot core. You can use these windings, as long as the secondary winding that goes back to the sensitive base or gate doesn't give out a too high voltage, but that's also protected by these two diodes. These two diode circuits that protect the input from the sensitive base or gate. Anyway, it's here a germanium transistor tester, and that was more or less all to tell. On the breadboard you see transistors that I've tested in the past. The ASZ21 was a transistor made for industrial purposes. This also, and this also. Made for computer boards in the early 1970s, as far as I know. That's where I salvaged them from.